Hello Scrappy Peeps, Suzanna here today with my latest A Cherry on Top haul for my design team work. So we will start with, well, let's get all this out of the way first. So we will start with my Distress Oxide re-inkers. So I use these to create custom pads really more than anything. I have Salty Ocean, Prize Ribbon, Shabby Shutters, Crackling Campfire, I think this is the only orange I have, and Weathered Wood. So not really Christmassy colors, but there's definitely some snow in there, and I was planning on using that with some of this. So I have some snow themed stuff. So these I bought to go together. And then this was my plan anyway. So I have the new Brutus Monroe Let's Chill. So some snowy stuff, and that goes with this Simple Stories as well. But I really liked these colors, and I thought maybe I might be able to integrate it with that collection. And then this is the Catherine Pooler Jar Full of Joy dies, and I actually thought I would do a snow-based shaker with the ribbon and some snowflakes that I got from a previous purchase. And I love these cherry on top acetate sheets. I buy them, they're great value for money. I think it's like $6.99 or $6.95 for 10 sheets, and they're a nice thick acetate. So the idea was to do a shaker with that with a picket fence mix that I got on yet another previous purchase. So then I also bought Simple Stories Winter Wonder. So these are the patterned papers that I got. I love this bunny, although he looks an awful lot like their Easter bunny. And then those are the tags. You know, I always buy the tags, and that's going to be tough. What am I going to use? But I'll figure it out. And more tags, and that I should have gotten 2 of each of those. Oh well. And then the snow and fun plaid. I also got the sticker book that goes with that, and my X-Acto blade is not near me, so let's see what we can do without getting sticky residue everywhere. Oh, there it is on the back. So yeah, I really like these. It just, to me, while they're expensive, the sticker books, and it is just paper, I think it's good value for money because you can pop them up on foam yourself, and you get alphas, all sorts of things that I like, and they're small enough too for my memory planner. And then, so this is not new. It's from the Brighton Bow Bunny collection, but I got this for my December daily. I really liked seeing people's frames with the Ali Edwards frames. And so I thought those would be fun. I even thought they would be fun to like hang and put, yeah. So I'm not sure what I'm going to do with that, but had to have that. And then I got this Noteworthy collection. So all 12 months with patterned papers on the back. And then you also get, so this is the collector's essential kit, so a little bit more that comes with it. You get 12 sheets of the pattern paper, 12 by 12 cardstock stickers, that's this, the Simple Pages page pieces, which is this, the 6 by 12 chipboard stickers, which is over here, and then the journal bits and pieces. And I like the journal bits and pieces because I use those a fair amount. So again, I think I'm gonna regret not getting doubles of some of these papers, but you know, it is what it is. So that, and then I got the floral bits that go with that because I always use the floral bits, and I knew there wasn't a whole lot in there. And then I got the chipboard frames, and I got the chipboard frames because I really liked that clipboard, and I really liked those glasses. They're massive, they could fit on your face. So that is my latest haul. So let me know what you want to see me create with first, or what appealed to you, and I will check in with you later. Thanks for stopping in today. Take care.